Wow, it never snows around here anymore, but today we are having a snow day. Kids got school canceled. There's... How much snow is that? 3 inches? It's all fresh, powdery. So the kids are gonna come out here and get pulled around on sleds and stuff and do whatever kids do in the snow when they don't have school. I'm gonna fire up the dirt bike. Look, here we go. That's the neighbors. Hopefully we get to do some fun stuff. I know how sketchy it is. That's why it's kind of fun. It's really snowing out. Look at the clap. Urban snowed in. Koya snowed in. The Nav snowed in. The wife's inside. She's not gonna come out.
What's up?
I'm talking to my dad. See? No!
Wonder how sketchy the dirt bike will get.
I mean, it's got a lot knobbier.
What's cracking, son? What are you doing? Go dive in the snow. Do it. Go, 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 go. Okay, now get up very carefully. Let's look at your snow angel. Ooh, that is a good one, son. Go dive on your swing.
Dying?
Go, 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 go.
Dive onto my swing! You ready? Hard! I need to jump off soon.
Are you gonna jump off?
Yeah. And
Woo! Your house is kind of a mess, dude.
Huh?
Your house is kind of a mess. Oh, we got the new home theater room hooked up. Check this out. Oh, it's locked? Too bad the other entrance is from my garage! Go and open it up, son.
Okay. Come here, Vince.
Catch him.
Trapping him. Got you. Got
Be
you.
gentle with him, right?
I'm not holding him very tight. You okay, buds?
Oh, he's trying to go.
No! Don't leave!
Whoa, easy on the strong face. He's under there.
He's running that way.
Where'd he go?
He ran this way.
Fox sparrow, son.
Yeah, but where is it?
I don't know. Here, let's see if he flies out when we open the door.
No, I don't want to let it go out.
Why?
Because I want to catch it.
You caught it.
Yeah, but I want to hold it.
You did.
I want to hold it out. It went this way somewhere.
It's all spooked. Oh, I see it. It's right there.
Right where?
Right there. Underneath the shelf behind that filter on the floor.
That?
See, it just moved. Right underneath the boot dryer, son. On the floor. No, look. Right down there. Keep going back. Straight back. See the boot dryer? It's in pieces on the shelf. To your right.
This way?
Right. No, that's left.
This?
Down. You see it? It's on the floor under the shelf, son.
Yeah, but it's over the
It's
ground.
right there. You see it?
It moved.
Oh, it got free!
Aw.
Bye-bye, bird. Happy snow day. That's all right, right? Yeah, but he is a wild bird. He can go free, right?
Ow.
Meltdown.
Well, I can see the rock.
So that about concludes my snow day morning thing. I'm going to get my gear loaded up and head out to the coast to see if I can catch some steelhead. So hopefully I got another video coming for you on that.